Are you a business owner who is in search of successful B2B marketing tricks? B2B marketing techniques of advertising agencies are widespread in the digital world. One must use them in a calculated manner in order to make profit. Here are the top business-to-business advertising methods that will come in handy for your company. Before we proceed, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. That little notification bell will also help you to be always informed about our latest updates. B2B marketing techniques of advertising agencies are used by companies with products and services sold to other businesses. In B2B marketing, a number of executives might be responsible for deciding on purchase decision, therefore the campaigns must be designed to engage multiple bodies of audiences within the same company. Successful business-to-business marketing tricks accomplish in catering to long transaction periods. B2B campaigns focus on promoting product usability and easy integration. Although trade events have served as the primary marketing bed for B2B, currently it has been found out that digital marketing is the starting point of 93% of B2B startups. Here are some top business-to-business advertising methods. Number 1. Connecting with buyers online. One of the most successful business-to-business marketing tricks include reaching out to buyers online. When ad agencies make a list of these buyers, they take into consideration of the sizes, industries, budgets, revenues, etc., of the enterprises. This involves strategic use of social media. It involves watching the movement of social media celebs and influencers. It involves reading blogs and reviews on the sites of your competitors. Number 2. Content marketing. Content marketing is one of the most successful business-to-business marketing tricks. You must understand the importance of content in SEO marketing. It includes the use of dynamic content such as blogs, videos, infographics and so on. According to market research, customers are attracted towards relevant information and education. Human nature ensures an interest in storytelling and humor. A good content initiates the purchase of the products and services. It is important to incorporate SEO in your content. According to research, 28% of B2Bs in 2014 spent half of their overall marketing budget on content marketing. Content marketing is centered around the needs of buyers, thereby initiating business-to-person marketing. Number 3. SEO. One of the top business-to-business advertising methods involve the use of search engine optimization methods. It increases visibility and authority of the business website among the search results. At times, B2B companies may use brand names as keywords to result in more search engine traffic of people who are looking for business-specific information. SEO factors are tied to social activity, so, as a company, it is vital that the ad agency takes advantage of social media. The presence of your company on social media channels is important with the functioning of SEO. Number 4. Social media marketing. Social media can be a great way to increase your company's visibility and raise brand awareness. One way of achieving this is the production of highly relevant and targeted content that's of interest to the people you want to connect with. B2B marketing techniques of advertising agencies involve paid media. It involves putting advertisements on platforms like AdWords and also on social media. The use of keywords is vital in this process. As a B2B business owner, you need to keep these things in mind as a part of successful business-to-business marketing tricks. They form the pillars on which B2B marketing is supported. Ultimately, it comes down to the functionality of your product that will make all the difference. Your services are what sets you apart from your competitors. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share it further with your friends. Waiting to hear your views in the comment section.